Pros and cons of freelancing versus traditional employment. Pros of freelancing: flexibility and control. Freelancers have the freedom to choose their projects, set their schedules, and decide how they want to work. This autonomy allows them to balance personal and professional obligations in ways that are often unavailable to traditional employees. Diverse opportunities. Freelancers can work with multiple clients across different industries, which provides variety and helps build a broad skill set. This variety can make work more engaging and allow freelancers to pursue their passions. Income potential. With the ability to set their own rates and take on multiple clients, freelancers can often earn more than they might in a traditional job, especially as they gain experience and build a reputation. Location independence. Many freelance roles, especially in creative or digital fields, can be done remotely. This allows freelancers to work from anywhere, even while traveling. Career growth and learning. Freelancers have the freedom to pursue personal growth, learn new skills, and pivot into different areas more easily than in traditional roles. Cons of freelancing: income instability. Freelancers don't have a guaranteed salary, which means income can fluctuate depending on client demand. Inconsistent income can make financial planning challenging. Lack of benefits. Traditional jobs typically offer benefits such as health insurance, retirement plans, and paid leave. Freelancers must secure and manage these on their own, which can add extra expenses and administrative tasks. Self-employment, taxes, and administrative duties. Freelancers are responsible for self-employment taxes, invoicing, and managing payments. Administrative tasks can become time-consuming, especially as work scales. Isolation. Without a team or regular workplace interactions, freelancing can feel isolating. Freelancers miss out on office camaraderie and may need to make extra effort to network and stay connected with others. Client management challenges. Freelancers need to manage client expectations, negotiate rates, and handle scope creep, which can be stressful and time-consuming, especially without formal structures or processes.